What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the transaction history from Coinbase. This is very useful if you want to keep that for your administration or tax purposes. Then you can download the complete history of your Coinbase account. Basically what we need to do, of course, log into our account. And after that we have a couple of options on the right top, and we will click on this option to see more options. Once you have done that, you can click on accounts, and then you will be redirected to a certain page. As you can see, I have blurred this information because that is private, and once we are here, then we can go to statements. And as you can see, we can use these transaction histories to download them. Now, what we need to do for this step is basically we need to select the time frame which we want to download. Let's say we would like to download the complete history of 2024. Then you can select the format type, and you also can select your assets. Basically, if you have a certain coin you want to download, or maybe all assets, depends on your preferred assets. And after that you can select all transactions, buys, sells, deposits, withdrawals. Basically everything you need you can select over here. After that you can just click on generate, and this will be now generated. Sometimes it takes a while because you have a big history, but as you can see, it's now completely downloaded, and there you have your transaction history from Coinbase.